Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to hide the avatar of your Tumblr account on your mobile application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to hide a avatar in your Tumblr application on your Tumblr account, I'm just going to show in this video. For that, first therefore click on the toolpad or edit symbol. This is the edit symbol. Click on this, open your account and just click on this edit symbol on the top. Now you just need to have a click on the pencil symbol on the profile or avatar. So now you have this option called show avatar or turn off avatar. So you just need to actually turn on show avatar. You just turn this off. So now just come back and click on the OK or tick option on the top. Now click on the save option. So now your avatar will be hidden on your profile. So you can see it simply shows my title and badge. This is how you just hide the avatar on your Tumblr application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video which is super valuable Tumblr content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.